We got a leaking P-trap. It's from 1904. I kid you not. This is from 1904. I'm not kidding. So we got a leaky P-trap on the first floor. We had to open up on this side to be able to get to. So we're gonna have to replace this whole thing. It's a Durham trap. They're very hard to get snakes through. Very hard. So this concrete, we gotta bust all this out now. Gotta bust all that out as well. This is gonna be a tough one. Oh, I'm just doing a video. No, you're good. Hold it.
So you put it down.
Try to get this piece.
Fall on it.
As I examine this is not, this isn't leaking right here. It's just the outer part. I don't think we need to replace that. I don't see any leaks on any of this. I think we're gonna chop it and pull this down, then I'll use a tubular no-hub band just to get a new P-trap on there. Because the tubular is fine. There's no leaks on that. It's just the connection right here. It's leaking. So, yeah. $19.05. It's a relic. Golly. I should probably, could you hand me my flathead? I'm gonna try to scrape all this out. Okay, folks. This is just a regular 1.5" no-hub band. I don't use these. Whoops! I don't use these very often, but in an above-ground situation, especially on a vertical, I'm fine with using these. But I prefer these. Basically, this, and this are the same thing. It's just. Jeez. The reason why I might have to use this one is because I don't know if I can get this over the threads on the waste and overflow of that tub. So we're trying not to have to replace the waste and overflow on the second floor because it's fine. We're just trying to do a quick fix for right now. We may end up having to replace that out there. The vertical, horizontalish vertical thing there, pipe. So we'll see what works. I prefer to use these, but I may have to go with that today. All right, I was able to get the proper no-hub band on there. Went right over that. So I don't like using these unless to get me out of a jam, but that went on perfectly right over those threads. So it'll make a watertight seal. So now, let's get this pea trizzle in. And all we gotta do, there's nowhere to put the phone up here, so.